In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a column chart in Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the table you want to turn into a chart. Before inserting anything, make sure your data is organized clearly in rows and columns and that your table includes text headers at the top. These headers are important because Excel uses them to label the chart automatically, which makes the final chart much easier to read. Now highlight your table data, making sure to include the text headers along with the numeric values. Take a moment here to confirm that everything you want represented in the chart is selected. If you leave out a header or part of the data range, the chart may not display the information correctly. Once your data is selected, move your cursor up to the top ribbon and click Insert. This tab contains the tools Excel uses to create visual elements like charts, tables, and other objects. When you click Insert, you will see several chart options available, but for this tutorial, we are focusing specifically on a standard column chart. Next, look for the Insert Column or Bar Chart icon. This icon usually looks like 3 vertical bars of different heights. Click on that icon to open the chart menu. This menu gives you several different styles to choose from, including both column and bar chart layouts. For this example, we want a simple vertical column chart, which is one of the most common and useful formats for comparing values across categories. From the menu that appears, click Clustered Column. This is the very first option under the 2D column section. As soon as you click it, Excel will create the chart and place it into your worksheet. At this point, your column chart is created. Excel will use the selected headers and values to build the chart automatically, so you should immediately see your categories along one axis and your values displayed as vertical columns. If needed, you can click on the chart later to move it, resize it, or customize its appearance. But the main chart creation process is now complete. This is a quick and effective way to turn raw spreadsheet data into a visual chart that is much easier to understand at a glance. That covers everything you need to know.